How can you not know how to create AI animations like this? Not while I'm here. So I'm going to be teaching you how to use Seedance and other AI models to create animations like this with a new AI platform I just discovered. Let's get into the tutorial. Yes, so we're going to be using this platform called thank-you.ai.com. So just log into your browser and type it, okay? This is going to open into an interface for you. Then all you have to do is just tap on it, okay? Then it will take you to this beautiful platform. You can just scroll through the platform to see how it is. thank-you.ai.com. It's a new platform, so you guys should please do well to open it. So as always, anytime you log into a new platform, the first thing you need to do is to sign in with your email, okay? So I signed in. They asked for a referral code. I did not have, so I just kept it, okay? Now if you tap on this place, you can see that they gave me 100 free credits, okay? So this 100 free credit is enough to create about 3 to 4 long videos with one email, okay? One email you can use to create about 3 to 4 videos. If you look at this icon up the road, agent, image, video and audio. Now we're going to be typing on video since we already have our image and dialogue. Now tap on this plus, okay? You see this box, you tap on the first box, you're going to see upload your image, okay? Now you're going to tap on this plus to, you see photo library, take photo, choose file. You just choose anyone where your image is. If your image is in your gallery or your files or anywhere, you just pick the image you want to animate. So you're going to select it. I already selected the image I want to use to animate my video. So once you select it, it's going to load into this place, okay? As well as you see this icon down, you tap on it to select your duration, your aspect ratio, your resolution, okay, and your audio. Just turn it on. You can select up to 60 seconds in this platform. So when you are done selecting your ratio, you tap on the next icon. You see where the road times 1, that's the amount of video you want to generate. Is it 1, is it 2, is it 3, is it 4? Okay, so I'm okay with 1, so I selected 1. You tap on the next icon to select your AI model. As you can see, there's Kling 03, there's Seedance 2, there's Seedance V2 Fast, there's Seedance V2 Mini, there's Buy Seedance, there's VEO 3.1, there is 2.7, there's Arlo 2.3. You can see it has a lot of AI model. It has vidIQ, it has Pixverse, it has Gemini Omni, it has Kling. Different types of AI model. You can see how wonderful, how vast this AI platform is. So I'll be making use of Seedance 2.0, okay? So I just selected Seedance 2.0 and I pasted my dialogue. If you want to learn how to create your dialogue, your script, your images, you can watch my previous video. I already posted tutorials on that, okay? So now after selecting your AI model, you paste your dialogue prompts, okay? Then once you paste, you're going to tap on this orange icon. You can see 11 credits to create the video. You tap on it and immediately your video will start generating. The only downside to this platform is that it takes about 5 minutes before the video will get generated. I don't know why the platform is so slow when it comes to generating video, but it definitely generates a very good video with clear characters, clear audio. Like, you would love the video, but it's just that it takes about 5 minutes to generate one video, but the video is top notch, like very good quality. Now immediately your video gets ready, you're going to tap on it to watch. You're going to see that arrow that is pointing down. You tap on it to download it into your phone.
Good morning, everyone.
Our video is ready. Let me create another video for you. So you go back to the menu, select video, tap on this first box to select your reference image, okay? So once you select your image is going to load. So once your image gets loaded, you're going to tap on it to select, and immediately it will load, okay? Once your image loads, the next thing you're going to do is to select your aspect ratio, duration, resolution, AI model, the generation count, okay? Once you're done selecting everything, you're going to paste your dialogue prompt. Once you paste your dialogue prompt, as you can see, these AI models, they are very cheap. The credits, just 11 credits, 10 credits, 5 credits to generate videos, and you have a whopping sum of 100 credits. So you can generate a lot of videos with this AI platform for free. There's no watermark, no subscription, you're not paying anything. So you can see how perfect this AI platform is. So once you paste your dialogue. As I was saying, you're going to tap on this orange icon below to generate your video, and in about 5 minutes time your video will get generated. Once your video gets generated, you're going to watch it and you'll see one arrow that is facing down. You're going to tap on that arrow to download the video into your phone, and you are good to go.
Our class will represent the school.
Yes, Mom! Yeah!
Class, please welcome our new student.
Good morning, everyone.
Our class will represent the school.
Yes, Mom! Yeah!
Our class will represent our school.
Yes,
If you have any question, do also drop it in the comments and I will reply. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. See you in our next class. I love you all. Toodles.